Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to find out the truth behind XRP's potential to reach $1,000. In consequence, serving as a last warning that you should purchase $100 of XRP at this very moment and definitely not sell it. So, stay with us until the end of this video. Also, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel to stay updated on our following videos about cryptocurrencies. Before diving deeper into the video, we are going to share very important information with you. We would like to inform you that today you can get up to $2,800 bonus on the exchanges Bybit and Femex. And getting the money is really easy. All you need to do is click the links down in the description, sign up, and make your first deposit on these two exchanges. You shouldn't miss this opportunity. It is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. So, let's start with the video. So let's begin with Ripple's fundamentals and basics. The emerging fintech solution from Ripple is very often mistaken for XRP. But, believe it or not, Ripple is a company with a native token that is named XRP, and which gives birth to it. It is unquestionable and definite that Ripple's actions and directions to some extent influence and affect XRP prices. The Xrp Platform is actually a decentralized open-source platform where everyone who has access to the internet and owns a smartphone can access it without needing authorization and permission from anyone. On top of that, XRP can be used as a bridge, non-permanent settlement layer denomination between two currencies or networks. And any transaction can be run and conducted here using both fiat currency and cryptocurrencies. Besides that, on this platform there is no dissimilarity in difference between fiat and cryptocurrencies, so the transaction is less complicated and simpler. Apart from these, Ripple XRP has three major characteristics that consistently attract most of the customers. Scalability is on Ripple's best attributes and features, as it is very capable of processing thousands and thousands of transactions each second, and one single transaction can be processed by Ripple in just 4 to 6 seconds. Affordability can also be a problem, and that is because of the hefty transaction fees. If you have any experience with international transactions, you are familiar with SWIFT charges, and the mere amount of fees is charged to Ripple, making it an attractive option for investors. Eventually, in the end, it is a green token. Tesla CEO, who has environmental worries and concerns, has blocked Bitcoin from being accepted. But XRP is also well organized and structured with that feature. The main reason is the much lower carbon emissions compared to other methods and techniques. By 2030, Ripple XRP is expected to produce zero carbon emissions, and sustainability is the most attractive aspects of XRP among the three. In its XRP variant, Ripple makes payments accessible and obtainable on demand and solves the problem of liquidity on demand. Ethereum is frequently and repeatedly compared with Ripple. Nonetheless, Ripple is mainly focused on cross-border transactions. For that same reason, it makes sense to replace SWIFT with this system, in order to provide international payments that are easy, systematic, and structured. There is absolutely no doubt that XRP is valued and respected by a lot of number of financial institutions these days for CBDC space. But the story does not end there, because Ripple has huge and immeasurable backing and support from financial institutions and banks, and incorporating blockchain technologies into their platform is what they strive for and aim to accomplish. Hence, the upcoming financial needs will completely rest on cryptocurrency and others such as XRP. Ripple is also supported by countless organizations such as the International Monetary Fund, IMF, World Bank, and World Economic Forum. So, that means that the support is rare and extraordinary. Considering these bullish things, we cannot pass over and ignore a major setback for Ripple. For that matter, the plan might be powerful to excel in the near future. The Securities and Exchange Commission resulted in XRP being blocked from top crypto exchange platforms and also from its banking partner, MoneyGram. Nonetheless, that does not mean that Ripple is actually lacking and failing in their efforts. After the lawsuit, Ripple was popular and well known, and they have already shaken hands with over 20 institutions. And the platform has brought together such leading and important personalities such as Cathie Wood, the founder of ARK Investments, Elon Musk, a billionaire, entrepreneur, and engineer, and also Jack Dorsey, CEO of Twitter and Square. A very important conference, B-Word, was detained and delayed last year because of the COVID-19 pandemic and was finally held last July. The happening was organized by Square Cryptos and talked through some of the most important cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, XRP, and Dogecoin. And Elon Musk is well known for being a crypto enthusiast and supporter. Elon stated that the high energy consumption of Bitcoin and reliance on proof-of-work protocol is destroying and disintegrating their reputation in the crypto industry. More on that topic, XRP is as sustainable as it is merely environmentally impactful when we are talking about it simultaneously. The platform integrity is maintained and preserved by XRP's proof-of-stake protocol, which enlarges transparency and eases and facilitates economic empowerment throughout the world. Therefore, investors and influencers are bound to obtain and get interested in Ripple. Let's make something clear. Elon Musk was not against Bitcoin. He just noted the increased carbon emissions associated with mining the tokens. Nonetheless, Tesla's market crash was caused mainly by his criticism, judgments, and refusal to accept Bitcoin. In the meantime, what is also interesting, Cathie Wood, one of the founders of ARK Investments, is still bullish on Bitcoin. She also assumes that Bitcoin's worth and value will grow even bigger and greater than anywhere else in the world in the next few years. She has a completely different investing plan of action and strategy than others. Cathie's ARK Investments has invested thousands and thousands of dollars into Bitcoin tokens since last year, mainly and mostly when they are in the red. In addition to Bitcoin, Cathie thinks XRP will also play a noteworthy role in the future. XRP can be used to upgrade and better compatibility with renewable energy targets without outstandingly impacting that second layer. This is where the trio talked through and discussed further solutions. Therefore, Woods and others will look into XRP as a likely and possible solution because it is the most eco-friendly. In another prognosis and prediction that she made, investors have, without a doubt, applauded her. All of these catalysts are evidence of Ripple's XRP's unbelievable growth. Also, it has all the qualities that meet the needs of individuals today. That makes Ripple a game changer for the entire economy. It will make the most lasting and durable cryptocurrency available with XRP's sustainability attributes and features. Once investors have felt and forecasted the potential of Ripple XRP, a lot of people will realize its benefits and the adoption rate will rise. In point of fact, Ripple's first quarter XRP sales increased by almost twofold to $150 million. As an outcome and consequence, there are a number of indications that you should buy XRP at least worth $100. While Ripple may help huge financial institutions to get the better of recent challenges, on the 27th of August, Ripple coins were priced at $1.09, which would profit and benefit the economy with upgraded and improved cash exchange processes. It is a comparatively inexpensive and low price offered by XRP. Those people who can recognize XRP's potential are very hopeful and optimistic about its worth and value. That is the main reason why Ripple is capturing every sector expeditiously. With this, Ripple winning the lawsuit, it can help enter the global economy. Even though today, Ripple mainly profits and benefits huge financial institutions and payment platforms, once it becomes more used by smaller businesses, it could benefit millions and millions of people throughout the world. Until this moment, Ripple has gotten more attention from crypto fans than any other coins and will most likely reign supreme. We cannot see an end to XRP's price growth. The XRP founder is very hopeful and optimistic about Ripple's future success and general and extensive adoption. As Brad maintained, the majority of cryptocurrency tokens serve no purpose, but Ripple definitely eases across border payments. Thus, XRP will surely rise very high and it will earn you very decent returns. The founder stated that XRP should spread throughout the world as efficiently and quickly as information, and this kind of strategy is a two-way strategy. Ripple is not only a challenger to banks, but also a product that permits those kinds of companies to thrive and prosper in a rapidly changing environment. We do believe this is great for both parties since it is Ripple who would profit and benefit in the end, leading financial services in the near future. Additionally, using Ripple to streamline their payment services, banks benefit too, since they can surely offer the same kind of service at a lower cost. With the adoption of Ripple, banks and financial institutions will be able to save a lot. That is one of the main reasons why XRP's price is increasing very rapidly. XRP is on sale at this very moment, and it will definitely spike sooner than you might think. Leave your thoughts and opinions in the comment section down below regarding XRP skyrocketing to $100. That is all for today, folks. See you in the next one.